Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to organize your bracelets. So this is the before and this is the after. So much better. On the before picture it was very hard for me to find what I needed when I was in a hurry, and this way is a lot easier to put outfits together. So the first thing that you will need is these containers. I got them at Dollar Tree. I believe there were 3 for $1 or 2 for $1, something like that. And you will be needing something like this. You can also use a when you finish your paper, you can use that, or you can use your paper towels tube. Anyhow, the first step is of course to measure the inside of that container, and for that I'm using this little piece of wood and I'm just gonna go ahead and trim my tube. This one was from a wrapping paper, so it's quite large and I do have to trim it. And then I will be using some bobby pins just so it holds in place. Now you will be needing 2 bobby pins on each side, and don't forget to hot glue them so they stay in place. And the next part is of course to put some of that hot glue on the tube like so, and that is just so your bracelets don't move. Now another step that is optional is to paint your tube prior to applying the glue. I didn't paint it because it is gonna be in my drawer and it looks just fine. It's gonna be full of bracelets anyway, so here I'm putting them in the tube and this is the final result. Well my friends, I hope that this video helped you in any way or form, and like always I will see you on my next one. Hasta la vista. Adios.